Hello Bella Babes, it's your girl Brown Girl Bella here, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. And guess what? I'm black. I'm blackity black. I'm black to the bone. And so today we're going to feature some bomb black products. So the first thing I want to do in my B.O.M.B products preview is share with you that I didn't have to buy any of these things. You know why? Because I do buy black. Blackity black. Black to the bone. And so I am going to use some of the products that I already have, but rest assured, my babes, I will be featuring new black artists because I discovered some new beauty brands that I haven't tried, so I want to share them with you as well. So in an upcoming series, I'll be previewing more B.O.M.B products. Yes, that's right. Right here on Brown Girl Bella, we're going to show you some more brown skincare and makeup. But first, let's get into this video. I'm going to start with Mother Pat, and I'm going to use her Skin Fetish Sublime Perfecting Primer. I'm just going to put that all over the face, concentrating on the T-zone. Now we're going to use MD24 in her foundation. I love this foundation. It really is one of my faves. You know I adore Mother's concealer, so we're gonna pop that on under the eyes. Now that we've done that work, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Fenty Beauty's concealer, and this is in the shade Caramel, and I'm just going to highlight some sections. And then we're going to go back with that same brush and blend that in. Okay, so far I am loving the way this is turning out. We're going to continue now with a little bit of contour. And to contour, I'm going to use Every Hue Beauty, which is a black-owned brand. And this is their Luminous Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Mocha. And I'm going to use that as my contour. To further carve out my contour, I'm going to go in with another Fenty matchstick. This is in the shade Truffle. How are we doing so far? We like? All right, let's continue on. As my eyeshadow, I'm going to go all over the lid with Glamour by Colored Rain Cosmetics, another great Black-owned brand. Now we're going to smoke out those lash lines with a little Pat McGrath Permagel Ultra Glide Eye Pencil in the color Extreme Black. Time to hit those cheeks, and for that I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery Coffee and Cocoa palette. And I'm going to go in with the shade La Vida Mocha and use that as my cheek blush. Can't forget those highlights. We're going to go in now with Fenty Beauty, and this is her Kilowatt Foil in the shade Sandcastle and Minty Mojito. I'm going to take the Sandcastle side and we're going to pop that right in the high points of our cheekbones as our highlight. With the rest, we're just going to run it very slightly down the bridge of our nose, and then a little bit on the Cupid's bow. We're going to top it off with a little Miss Independent by the Lip Bar. And that will complete the look for today. I hope you enjoyed shopping my stash for B.O.M.B beauty products. B.O.M.B stands for Black Owned Makeup Brands. These are all brands that I already owned, and I shopped my stash to complete this look. I invite you, if you are a content creator, to go and shop your stash and see how many B.O.M.B products you have in your arsenal. Hit me up in the comment section below and let me know. Until next time, you've been bellified. Take care.